Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and keeping safe. I don't know about you guys, but I'm trying to get myself used to wearing like normal clothes, because I've been like in gym clothes for like a year. So I'm like trying to get myself used to wearing like summery outfits, and it's not really going the best. Like none of my clothes fit there. It's just I've either shrunk or I don't really know. But yeah, I'm just having a little bit of a moment here. So sorry about that. Yeah, I just thought I'd wear pink for International Women's Day. Obviously it's been International Women's Day this week, so I thought I'd wear pink in both my reviews. If you've seen my Look Fantastic review, you will know by now that I didn't receive one of my products, which is very disappointing. I know it does happen, and I think it's happened maybe once or twice in the 9 or whatever years that I've had Glossybox, but in the second month that I'm doing Look Fantastic and to not receive one of my products, I'm not going to lie, it's not the best for me. I've only done a 6-month subscription anyway, like I told you guys. So yeah, I'm not the best pleased about that, if I'm being honest. But anyway, we move on. Just before we get started, I just want to make sure that you all know about my 500 subscriber competition, where I'm doing a big beauty giveaway for you guys. So all you have to do is follow me on my socials, which you will have seen at the start of this video, and I'm going to pop it right here. So it's just my blog and Instagram and my YouTube channel, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. As soon as you've done that, all you have to do is comment done, and I will enter your name into the draw. If you don't subscribe to my YouTube channel though guys, I will not enter you into the draw. Or if you unsubscribe from my YouTube channel, I will take you out of the draw, because I know a couple of you have been doing that to get into the draw, but it doesn't work like that. I'm doing it to be kind, but I'm also doing it to widen my YouTube channel. So yeah, so be kind to me. So as soon as I get to 500 subscribers, I'm doing a worldwide giveaway, which you can see that video if you've not already watched it. It's just me talking about the products in a very short video. Unused products, still sealed, and it's a worldwide competition, so you can be for anywhere over the world, and if you feel like you could potentially do with the products that I've given away, then why not enter? It's for free. So I will probably do these competitions every time I hit like a milestone, so like 500 subscribers, and then 1,000 subscribers, and then so on and so on. And the more subscribers I get, the bigger the competitions will be, you know, the bigger the giveaways will be. So yeah, just help me keep growing, and yeah, I'm always looking to give back, so it's what I do. So today I'm going to be reviewing the March edition Glossybox. I've also been kindly given the opportunity to review the Mother's Day Glossybox, which I'm aware it's been dispatched, but I've not received it yet. So as soon as I receive it, I will do a review and let you know what my thoughts are and if I think it was worth it. Yeah, I think it was something like that. So, but I know the products were worth a lot more than that, but I'll let you know anyway. So the highlighted difference that I will have spoken to you about in my Look Fantastic review is the box. So Glossybox are renowned for doing the pink box, but this month Look Fantastic did a representation for 3 different women for International Women's Day. So Glossybox didn't do that this month, but I guess it's like Valentine's Day. Glossybox did the tape or whatever it was, and Look Fantastic was a plain box. So I guess, yeah, so it's just the pink box. And I still haven't found, I don't know if I'm being blind, so please drop me a comment below if you can find what I can. So in the Look Fantastic magazine that they give you, there's no prices for the products that they send, whereas Glossybox, it's clear next to the product. So, I don't know. And very similar to Look Fantastic, they show you what the April sneak is. So the April sneak is, inside the box you'll discover a gorgeous eyeshadow palette from new brand Sophia and Mabel. So yeah, that is something to look forward to in the next box, definitely. And if you haven't, they're also doing a competition, sorry. So I don't know if you've seen on the Glossybox website that they are doing a big Easter egg, which is going to be full of products. It was like NARS, I think there was Smashbox, Bare Minerals. I'm not sure how much it was, but I know that if you type in your email address, you'll get early subscription. I'll send you an email as soon as it goes live, so you can get your hands on it. So if that's something that you're interested in, I'd maybe go to the Glossybox website and drop your email below, and they'll send you an email as soon as the Easter egg thing comes. So let's have a look what we've got in the box. So I did have a little glance at this box. I'm pretty excited about it. So the first thing is the Figs and Rouge Primer. So it's a satin soft blurring primer and finishing fix. Designates a blur and minimalise shine. This wonder-working primer will keep your skin fresh and flawless. So I'm going to do a little test on this. You guys can see. Can you see? And I'm just going to rub it in. That really blends. I know it's a primer, but even just on my hand, it is just blended straight back in. So that's nice. So it is full-size products, and it is worth £38. So I think for a primer, that is quite expensive. But I guess it depends on how much you pay for these sort of products. For me, that is a little bit too expensive for a primer. I would pay that for a foundation, but not necessarily for a primer. So yeah, I guess it depends on. My skin feels quite tight though from that on my hand. So I guess it depends on how much you want to spend on a primer. It smells amazing, to be honest. And yeah, it's a really nice colour, and it probably will take away the shine, but it is a little bit too expensive. But I will use that primer because I love a good primer. Okay, next, nail varnish. So as I guess we're all feeling the brunt of this lockdown, nothing being open, it's nice to get a little product of nail varnish. I've not actually painted my nails today because they chip every time I paint them. So I'm just getting fed up with it because I normally have my nails done every 3 weeks. And because of lockdown, I've not had mine done since before Christmas. So I think it's quite nice for them to send like a pastel one for spring as well. Because all my nail varnishes are really dark, and because like I say, I get my nails done, so I have a few nail varnishes that I paint my toenails with. So this is a nails ink. It's a full-size product. It's worth £11. Again, I think it depends on if you're a nail varnish person. £11 isn't that expensive for a nail varnish, but I guess it's if you want to spend £11 on a product. I mean, it'll last you a while. Like nail varnishes, I've got that. Had for like over a year, and they've still got like half left. So yeah, I think they are worth the money, nail varnishes. You can't go wrong, and you can't go wrong with like a pastel colour either for spring. So that's nice. Okay, we have a mascara. So Nourishing Mascara. Again, it is a full-size product. It is retailed at £15.50, and to be honest with you, I would spend more on a mascara. You know, I wear mascara every single day, and for me that's a necessity product. And I love that Glossybox sends you mascara every couple of months. It's like they know that you need more mascara. And I recently reviewed in one of my videos the Magnetic Benefit Mascara. So if you were thinking about getting a new mascara, I'd go and check that video out. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. And yeah, go and check out my honest review. So we'll probably use this in one of my makeup tutorials to let you guys know what I actually think about it. I'll open it for you. So it's quite a large size. Oh. And the brush. So it looks like it'll cover quite a lot of your eye, which is good. And to be honest, every time I get a mascara in Glossybox, I've never had a bad mascara. They are always really good, decent mascaras. So that's good. Okay, Complexion Sponge. They're all full-size products in this one's Glossybox, which is good. Okay, so I have... What do I have? Okay, so it's a complex sponge. So this is retailed at £6. It's an eco complexion sponge, so it's eco-friendly, evenly blends makeup for a flawless, enhanced finish, ultra soft, flake resistant and long lasting. This sponge works both damp and dry, expanding with water to makeup blending efforts. So let's have a little feel. So as you've seen in like some of my beauty tutorial videos, I always spray my sponge with a primer. So, oh, that does feel really soft. So if you can see how squidgy that is, compared to some of my other sponges, that is really soft. I wonder how effective that will actually be. Because I always find like I use like a hard sponge, but that might work better for blending. Because I normally use mine to put like my translucent powder on or something like that. So yeah, that's a good product. Okay, so I got the NYX lipstick. So you get a lucky dip. So you either get this or the highlighter. Yeah, so you either get a lipstick or the highlighter, and I love getting lipsticks. So let's have a little look at the colour. So it's a full size product. Beautiful colour. I'll put it on my hand for you. I'm going to do it like that. But it's a bit bright with them lights, but that is a definite product that I will wear. Because I do wear quite dark lips. Summer or spring, summer or autumn or winter. So yeah, that's a really good product for me, and it's £4. So I think that's, again, I'd pay a lot more for that for a lipstick. So all in all, this Glossybox I prefer. Obviously last month I preferred Look Fantastic. This month I definitely prefer Glossybox. Every single product in this box I will 100% use, and I think it was well worth the money. So with that being said, if you like this review, please drop me a comment below, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share it with all your friends. Also don't forget the competition that I'm running for free. Once I hit 500 subscribers, I'm giving away a massive beauty haul of products. So help me get to 500 subscribers. You've all been amazing so far. I'll also be reviewing the Mother's Day Glossybox, so watch out for that one. And yeah, drop me a comment, drop me a message, let me know what else you want me to do, and I'll do it for you. Thanks guys!